orange now. See me, I don't understand. I'll go and collect my money back. 2005. The reason I buy one pack of kilishi. So I went to the supermarket to buy something. As I walked in, I saw this orange. Let me open it. I saw this orange, oh, and I was like, this orange is not tangerine, oh. It is not normal orange, oh. What kind of type of orange is this? I said, okay, let me ask somebody that is working there. And I asked, I said, hello, please, what is this orange called? And she said it's clementine. I said, clementine, what? As in my auntie Clementine in the village, because I have one auntie like that is named Clement. Oh, sorry, her own is Clementine and not Clementine. And I was like, this orange that they are calling Clementine, maybe it will be sweet, but the orange is very like it's not hard, it's soft. I was like, I've not seen this kind of orange before. Let me not lie, I've not seen it before. Even though I've seen it, I've not tasted it. I used to see it, but I've not tasted it. So I said, let me pick 5. Let me pick 5. Oh. In my small mind, I was thinking maybe it will be 100 naira or 150, because orange now, normal orange now is 200. Yeah, I was like, okay, the orange will be 100 naira or 150. So I now picked this 5. And I said, okay, this 5 will be highest 500. Highest 500. That was how I went to the counter to pay. They said I should go and weigh it, that they weigh it first. Auntie, so I went to weigh it to see what they put on this level. This is 2,524 naira. I was like, auntie, it's orange that I bought too. It is not, I did not buy anything else. It's just this orange that they say you should weigh. She said, yes, that is the amount. I was like, orange. I was like, I said, I'll go and drop this orange. I said, okay, let me not drop it. Let me, because I don't understand. I was like, okay, so one is like 500 naira. After licking it, what will I go to heaven? The thing shocked me. Oh. So imagine that I do not have money, or even if I can still drop it, though. But I said, let us test this orange. They said it's clementine. Wow, clementine. Okay. It shocked me. See. Wow. I even asked the girl, is it bitter? She said no, it's not bitter, it's like normal orange. Then why is it cost? Since it's like normal orange, why is it cost? This normal orange now. See me, I don't understand though. I'll go and collect my money back. 2005. The reason I buy one pack of kilishi. Now one. Mama. Orange is orange, oh. This is waste of money. I just paid my 2,524 naira just like that.